Let's talk about GERMANUS Jetflame Torch Cigar Lighter, the stick with 4 flames, black. Please note, this lighter is manufactured and delivered empty in accordance with Amazon's terms, conditions, and for transport reasons. GERMANUS Jetflame Torch Cigar Lighter, the stick with 4 flames. Dimension ca. 85 mm long and 27 mm diameter. Solid manufacturing from metal, reliable trademark quality. Cigar Punch foldable in bottom. Also suitable for pipes, fuel standing, readable from outside. I had previously purchased a jet lighter from a Chinese supplier and initially it worked well. I maybe smoke a cigar once or twice a week, so it did not get a great deal of use, however it ceased to work. Looking for a reasonably priced replacement, I was drawn to this. Having purchased my humidor from GERMANUS, I recognize the quality they provide. Only had this a few days and so far it exceeds my expectations. Well constructed. Great flame and good ignition. I will be going abroad soon where I tend to smoke cigars daily, so I shall put this through its paces. Good solid, well-constructed lighter, worked well when it arrived. Note, no gas when it arrives. Very powerful, so need to be careful not to burn this cigar, but this thing will light in any wind. I don't think that this would be suitable for cigarettes and definitely not pipes. The lighter stopped lighting after a couple of days, a problem noted by other buyers, but after a Google search I tried turning up the gas flame screw on the bottom and this fixed it no problem. I would recommend this lighter, and my only 2 criticisms might be that 4 flames is possibly a bit too powerful for normal use, and it does go through fuel quickly. If I was buying again I would probably choose a 2 flame. Great flame roar as well, solid build, nice solid click when you start it. The only downside is it goes through gas pretty fast, as you'd expect from 4 jets.